What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. So, I just want to start out by saying I apologize. My last video, I said I had 32,000 subscribers. What I meant was 32,000 views. 12 days into January, I reached 32,000 views. Usually, I get 32,000, somewhere roughly around there at the end of the month, but to hit 32,000 views in 12 days is pretty epic to me. So thank you guys very, very much. Thank you to my subscribers, thank you to the viewers, and thank you to anyone that's new to my channel, that likes what I have to say, that likes the content, and likes everything about diecast. Thank you guys very much. Now, diving into it, I got two Johnny Lightning cases left for the unboxing, the White Lightning Hunt. Now, we went through two cases. One is in the short, which did not provide a White Lightning. The previous unboxing video also did not have a White Lightning. We are down to two. I am not saying that there's a White Lightning in these. It's probably a far cry. That being said, let's pick one. Now, these are both classic gold Johnny Lightning, release 2 and release 1 of 2023, a couple years old. Now, they do have the same numbers on the side, except for the 32, the 31, and the A and the B. So that tells me that we have version B and version A. Which one will I pick? You know what? I really don't know. So let's go with the A case, because I think we're going to find a winner. And you know what A stands for? A stands for ace. Let's check this thing out and let's see if we can find a nice White Lightning. So for anybody that's new to Johnny Lightning, Johnny Lightning has chases, and they are considered White Lightnings. What makes a White Lightning a White Lightning? I will show you. Now, this is kind of a little crash course. I really don't want to waste your time because I know we're all very excited to open this. But to anyone that doesn't know what a White Lightning is, let me explain. So they have chases, which are highly collectible cars. Very few percentage of these cars are chases. So this is the difference between the regular car and the White Lightning. As we can tell, they are very different. Now, what makes this one a White Lightning is not just the white paint, it is the white tires, the gold wheels, and the gold chrome interior. This does not have a white base. Some of them do, some of them don't. But you need at least two traits to make this a White Lightning. Now, the first trait is the color, because this is supposed to be gold. This is obviously white. Then you have the white tires. That's the second trait. And then you have this nice chromed out gold, sparkly, shiny interior, which will make it a White Lightning. Now, some White Lightnings are a little bit harder to spot, but these are typically very, very easy to find. Obviously, we have the normal version, we have the White Lightning version. So we are looking for a car like this, and these are highly collectible. These are worth some money, and you know what? I like collecting them. I have at least 5 or 6 different White Lightnings, and I'm always on the hunt for them. Can never find a super treasure hunt or any Auto World chases, so I'm going to resort to Johnny Lightning. Johnny Lightning makes some great products. They did not pay me for this. They did not send me this. I bought this. This is my opinion of the Johnny Lightning cars. So, highly detailed cars, Johnny Lightnings, wicked nice. Let's go. I've already cut this one open as we witnessed. Ooh, I missed the tape. So, we have, oh, these look like good cars. These look like good cars, my friend. What's up first? It looks like something special, kind of special. Not my favorite Mustang. 1978 Ford Mustang Cobra 2. Now, this is not my favorite Mustang. It's the very opposite. I do like this car because it is so out of character, and it is so with the time that they were conceiving it, and it was just, it's not a good looking Mustang. I'm sorry. I love it because it's very odd and it's very plucky. So again, we have one of 4,500, not one of 4,500, but one of the 4,500. So I do like the color combination, black and gold, which I think is a really nice color. We do have some chrome lip wheels, which not a big fan of chrome, but those black wheels look baller on this thing. Anyways, very cool. We've got the fog lights in the grille. We've got the nice cowl induction hood scoop on the hood. We got the louvers on the side. You know what? It's meant to look sporty, but I can't take it seriously. It looks like it belongs in a demolition derby. There, I said it. Cobra bites man. Sure does. But I like it. I may not keep it. Moving on. Oh, I see we got a Ford Ranger and some tissue paper. What I've always wanted. Tissue paper. Check this thing out. Nice and anyways, we've got this nice Ford Ranger, 1985 XL. What I do like about this, and I love the 80s too, and the reason why is because they had graphics like these, which I think were really special. Well, actually kind of unique, very cool. Obviously, you guys have seen the intro, which is very 80s, very synthwave, and I like that kind of whole 80s vibe thing. Let's stop talking about the 80s vibe thing, and let's talk about this. We have one of 4,860, and we have a very nice, looks like a dark charcoal, as we see here. Now, if anyone wanted to know what color the Mustang was, well, pretty simple. It's black with gold stripes. But anyways, I like these things. They are very plucky little trucks, very dependable, very nice as well. Cute little truck, single cab, totally cool, very, very nice little truck. I do like all the little details, especially with the decals, the lights. We got Ford on the tailgate. What would you expect? Anything less? I think not. The front is very nice as well. Very cute little trucks. I've got a couple of these in my Johnny Lightning collection. You know what that means? I just started a collection of Ford Rangers. What now? I like it. Gonna keep it. Moving on to the oh, nope, DB5. Check this thing out. James Bond's DB5, but not James Bond's DB5. We have 1966 Aston Martin DB5 in a nice Caribbean pearl. Is this Pirates of the Caribbean version of a British car? I don't know, but I do like the color. This is one of 4,428. Really, really special car. Now, I do remember seeing these in the old James Bond films, and that poor car. A very classic, very sleek, sporty car. I do like these old DB5s. They are just something very special. And look at this. It's a very regal, it's a very sporty car for the 1960s, and I love those Daytons, man. Check out those wire wheels. That is super cool, and I believe that would stand for James Bond. I don't know. Don't know, but what I do know, very nice car. I like it. Gonna keep it. Moving on. Ooh, what's this? Just what I was looking for. Absolutely what I was looking for. 1966 Pontiac GTO. This is the GTO I was talking about in the last video. This is the one that I do like. This is one of my favorite GTOs, and this happens to be one of 4,068. The color is Barrier Blue. Check this thing out. Very nice car. I love those taillights, and the rear end of this car, very, very nice. This thing is not meant to really be like, it's like a subtle muscle car, but it still demands respect. Check out the front end, man. That is a very, very cool car. Check out this. He's just a guy and his girl cruising around, driving really, really fast. You're not going to see that in today's TV commercials or these TV ads, but look at this car. Very beautiful, stunning front end. Absolutely cool. I love those stacked headlights. Wicked nice paint, by the way. Check this thing out. And the decals, the little details. White interior, white roof. Is this a white Lightning? I don't think so. I don't think so, my friend. Even though it has white interior, white roof, those may be two traits. I doubt this thing's a white Lightning. Okay? It would be a little bit more obvious. But sometimes it's subtle. Now, what I would consider a white Lightning is if this was white paint, white interior, white roof. You have three traits. This is not a white Lightning. I wish it was, because this would be a wicked cool find right now. Moving on, we've got more tissue paper. Get rid of that. We've got the 1979 Chevy Corvette in red. Just red. If the devil himself were in the 1980s, he'd be in a car like this, or maybe a Ferrari. But honestly, I'd go with the latter. One of 4,500, again, super cool car. We've got the chrome wheels, which, But what I do like is the spoiler in the back. I think that is super, super cool. We have those nice window heaters right there. Now, I want to say it's a T-top. I know it's not. We have black interior, red paint, very, very nice. I'm not too impressed with the paint because it's a gloss color, but absolutely really nice car. Definitely like it. Definitely going to keep it. Last but not least, what is in here? We have tissue paper. Is it a White Lightning? It is a 2000 Acura Integra GSR. And I know a bunch of you people in Southern New Hampshire want this thing, but I got it. It's mine. Back off, buddy. One of 4,452. We have this car in Clover Green because by the luck of the Irish, by the luck of the draw, we have this very cool, very nice little car. And these things were super cool when I was a kid. I definitely liked the Integras. Very nice car. Had these big taillights in the back. Now, I don't really think the casting is anything special. Tan interior, which is very period of the time to have green and tan. I don't really... There's something off about this. And honestly, if we look at the bottom here, we can tell that the wheels are pushed in when I think they should be pushed out a little bit more. That's a little oversight right there, but it's still a very cool car. If I'm going to be honest, I might just pull the wheels off, and how I'm going to do that is probably snip the axles and then put some new wheels, new axles in it, make it look a little bit more special, make it look a little bit more street tuner. But anyways, it's a very cool little sports car. Now, I know what you guys are saying. Acura Integras were never meant to be sports cars, but they were. They have everything a sports car should have. 2 doors, coupe, spoiler, low to the ground, and we got these wicked nice dual headlights, or quad headlights, I should say, right up front. Very, very nice car. Very nice car indeed. I definitely like it. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to do some wheel surgery on it. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we did not find a White Lightning today. We are down to one case, and that's okay, man. For the love of these cars and the wheel swaps I'm going to do to them. That being said, go out there, have a nice day, collect what you like, and if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll know. Later, taters.